sir. Good day. My name is Jared De Guzman, and I'm here to represent our team, the Island Innovators. And I'm very privileged to present our masterpiece. Our team composed of Laiskish Ortega, Celi Hangagana, Diana Renatoan, Joey De Guzman, and yours truly, Jared De Guzman. And this app is called Money Managers app, wherein you can track your expenses and also your income, make goals, especially for your future travels or for your savings for your future. And our ultimate goal is to design and develop a fully functional, user-tested mobile application prototype through iterative Scrum development. For this sprint, we will collaborate to establish the app's structural foundation by creating an original black and white low fidelity wireframe that maps out core layout and user navigation. So, to present to you, here are our wireframes. This is what we have done before. It has a color, but we changed it to black and white. Some have colors, but all in all, they are black and white or gray. And this is our app's logo. We called it Beacon. Then we have also different features of our um, wireframe. You can select the category icons, saving trackers, and analytics, challenges features. At the same time, here recipe scanner feature, share group budgets. We have a unique application to that, and also regular payment reminder and emergency funds. And we also have so much more like debt management, budgeting feature, feedback submission form, and also connect with friends, achievements, budgets, cash and spending, and also goal saving trackers, AI support, spending features, and filter functions. And yeah, adding plans for your saving on what you want to achieve, like if you want to travel, like trip to Paris, new laptop, emergency fund, or new bicycle, you can input here in our application. And what I've learned for this project is I learned to collaborate with my teammates, and also I learned to adjust, and I learned so many things, especially when I was assigned as a developer. I managed to create and design our wireframes. And for me, we have a good communication. For one things that went well, we have a good communications in our team. We make sure that all are transparent, like the due dates, uh, and ensuring that we are aligned to the project and we focus in the progress of our task. With good communication, we foster our collaboration with my team members, and we provide updates and status of our Jira board in case there are changes. We make sure that all are informed and can give feedback for the benefits of the project. And one improvement recommendation is one of our problem, time management. That's the issue. And implementing time blocking, you need to divide your time for the task. And the impact for that in our project is that you will rush to make on deadline that will leave you overwhelmed because of the task. And the solution for me, During our meeting, we delegate the role and we allocate specific hours to manage tasks and meet through video call to talk about the progress of our project. And one agile principle that I've learned is customer satisfaction. Your highest priority should be to satisfy the customer through delivering functional and valuable software that will help them solve their problem and improve quality of life. That's all, sir, for my presentation. Thank you and goodbye.